Does Home Depot take Apple Pay? No, Home Depot does not accept Apple Pay as a payment method in its stores or online. Below is a detailed breakdown of Home Depot's accepted payment options and alternatives for using Apple Pay indirectly. 1. Does Home Depot accept Apple Pay in store? No, Home Depot does not currently accept Apple Pay at any of its physical store locations. Customers cannot use their iPhone, Apple Watch, or other Apple devices to make contactless payments directly at Home Depot checkout terminals. 2. Does Home Depot accept Apple Pay online? No. Home Depot's website and mobile app do not support Apple Pay for online purchases. The platform does not offer an option to select Apple Pay at checkout. 3. Why doesn't Home Depot accept Apple Pay? Home Depot has a partnership with PayPal, which serves as their primary digital payment method. This partnership allows customers to use PayPal both in-store and online, potentially limiting the integration of other digital wallets like Apple Pay. 4. What payment methods does Home Depot accept? Home Depot accepts the following payment methods: credit cards, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover. Debit cards, Home Depot Consumer, credit card Home Depot gift cards, PayPal, both in-store and online. Cash checks, in-store only. 5. Can you use Apple Pay indirectly at Home Depot? While Home Depot doesn't accept Apple Pay directly, you can use it indirectly by adding your PayPal account to Apple Pay and using PayPal for Home Depot purchases, buying Home Depot gift cards through Apple Pay from third-party retailers, and using those gift cards at Home Depot. 6. Does Home Depot plan to accept Apple Pay in the future? As of now, Home Depot has not announced any plans to introduce Apple Pay as a payment option in-store or online. Their focus remains on PayPal and traditional payment methods. 7. What digital wallets are accepted at Home Depot? Currently, the only digital wallet Home Depot accepts is PayPal. Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay are not supported. 8. Alternatives to Apple Pay at Home Depot. If you prefer contactless or digital payments, consider using PayPal directly at checkout. Tap to pay credit debit cards with NFC technology. Home Depot mobile app for online payments using supported methods. Home Depot does not accept Apple Pay for in-store or online purchases. However, customers can still use digital payment methods like PayPal or purchase Home Depot gift cards through Apple Pay from third-party sellers to shop conveniently at Home Depot.